In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch Japanese Netflix from anywhere in the world using a VPN. For this tutorial, I recommend NordVPN because it's fast, reliable, and works seamlessly for streaming. You can follow along using the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price. Netflix has different shows and movies depending on your location. Japan's Netflix library includes a lot of exclusive anime, dramas, and films that aren't available in other countries. Using a VPN, or virtual private network, lets you connect to the internet through Japan, so Netflix thinks you're watching from there. First, open the NordVPN app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, use the link in the description to download it and create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of countries and a search bar. Type Japan and connect to one of the Japanese servers. After NordVPN shows that you're connected, open Netflix in your browser or the Netflix app. You should now see the Japanese content library. Simply search for your favorite anime, drama, or Japanese movie and start watching. If Netflix doesn't show Japanese titles immediately, try clearing your browser cache and cookies, or close and reopen the Netflix app. You can also switch to a different Japanese server in NordVPN to get the best speed and access. For smoother streaming, pick the fastest server with the lowest load. You can check server load directly in the app. Using a VPN not only unlocks Japanese Netflix, but also encrypts your internet connection, keeping your activity private and secure while streaming. You can enjoy the same shows on any device, from your TV to your phone, without any extra setup. With NordVPN running, you can explore the entire Japanese Netflix library anytime you want, no matter where you are, and avoid geo-restrictions completely. Once again, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and start watching Japanese Netflix from anywhere in the world today.